Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Rasam Powder Recipe is just in time as rainy seasons are officially here. With a fresh homemade batch of spice mix, you can easily make rasam at home anytime. The black pepper and cumin seeds. The combination of these two ingredients is what make rasam. This combination is a perfect homemade recipe for common cold, congestion. It encourages digestion. It is rich in vitamins, keep cancer at bay, and so on. My daughter was introduced to rasam as her first solid food because it is easily digestible as well as tasty. The process of making rasam powder is quite simple. Has most ingredients easily available in your kitchen pantry, and it takes is just 13 minutes from start to finish. Please note that we do not use any amount of oil to grind this powder. It is purely dry roasting of ingredients on a low flame, which requires a bit of time and patience. The end result, however, is truly worth it. Why buy a store-bought rasam powder when you can make it fresh at home with a simple step-by-step instructions? A must-have spice mix for all you rasam fan out there. When dry roasting, always use a wide pan so that the roasting is even and the spices don't burn. Keep a plate aside to collect all the roasted ingredients. I have taken all in equal proportion. So let's see the ingredients for rasam powder. First, heat the pan. Add 1/4 cup of pepper seeds. Roast them well. Remove the roasted pepper onto the plate for cooling. In the same pan, add 1/4 cup of cumin seed. Roast them quickly as the cumin seeds tends to brown fast. 1/4 cup of coriander seed. Roast it until you get a nutty aroma. In the same pan, add 1/4 cup of chana dal and roast it. Repeat the process for roasting the 1/4 cup of tur dal. Lastly, dry roast the 2 red chilies for few seconds and do not allow it to burn. Collect all the roasted ingredients in a plate and allow it to cool completely. Grind the spices. It should be ground to a fine powder texture. Allow it to cool completely before transferring it to a clean, dry glass jar with a lid. How simple can making your own homemade masala be? Not to forget, they do not have any preservative, additives or thickeners unlike the store-bought masala. A must-have spice mix for all your rasam fan out here. So please give this recipe a try. If you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.